Hey guys, and welcome back to another costume tutorial. This week we're working on last-minute costumes that you can make using things from your local Goodwill. Of course, you can go with the classic and wear black and be a witch, red and be a devil, or you can even wear white and be an angel. Or if you're lucky, you might find something already made for you at the store. But we're going to think a little bit outside the box on this one. So this week, we're going to go through our local Goodwill and find some costumes that are going to be really easy to make, like the Powerpuff Girls, Lizzo, the Joker, Meg from Hercules, and a lot more. So our first costumes that we're working on are the Powerpuff Girls. Of course, they all wear their coordinated colored dresses, so find one in green, one in pink, and one in blue, and add a belt to it. Once that's complete, you just add your shoes and you have your costume. The great thing about these is they are immediately recognizable individually, or they're a really great group costume. Secondly, we have Lizzo. Lizzo's known for her iconic fashion, but we're going to focus on this outfit. So first we found a pinstripe pair of pants and a white shirt. I then used leftover vinyl and wrote out the words and cut them out and glued them on the pants in the front and the back. You can, of course, use foam or paper, or you can use fabric glue and glitter. Add on your flawless face of makeup, do your hair toss, and check your nails because your costume is done. Next up, we have a quick and easy Joker costume from the new movie. First up, find yourself a red jacket, a pair of red pants that are a coordinating color, a teal shirt, and a vest. I opted to spray paint my vest, but you can also make it out of a tank top and just add buttons down the front. Do your makeup and your hair, and you are all set with your Joaquin Phoenix style Joker. Disney costumes are really great to go in with an open mind. I found this dress and decided it was going to be a Meg costume. I made a couple of adjustments to the sleeves, hot glued coins to the sleeves, and had a costume complete. The great thing about Disney costumes is as long as you go in with an open mind, you can almost always find something that'll work. Like this dress could very easily turn into Alice in Wonderland. This polka dotted dress could very easily become Minnie Mouse. This beautiful top could very easily turn into a vintage Barbie costume. And there are a ton of other characters with iconic looks, so as long as you go into your Palmetto Goodwill with an open mind, you will almost always come out with a costume you'll love. Tune in next week for our final video.